Welcome to the new and craziest city of Hot Wheels. Hello guys, good morning. Hey Ezra, are you okay? Ezra?
I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Whoa, who's that? Pagani, are you okay? I think I should just go inside car wash. Perfect. I think I'm gonna get some fuel now. Perfect. Great. Okay, now let's go down. Wait, Ezra, you're yellow now.
Yeah. Wait, no. I'm blue. These are just other things. I'm gonna now go change my color and with the spray paint place.
Wow! Look at that shine! You look amazing, Ezra.
Thanks. It looks amazing. I really love it. Wow.
Well, I like color red. Hey guys, I'm the craziest. Whoa!
Run, baby, run!
Oh no! Sorry, Mr. Dodge Piper. Please don't do nothing to me. You'll get
Have a bubbly bath. Have the best bath you would like.
Oh,
Get out of here!
thank you, Ezra. You literally saved my life. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, that's a new bully.
Oh, do I think it's getting night? Okay. I think it's night, bro.
They'll eventually turn on the lights eventually. And I was right. Whoa.
Well, let's go everybody to their houses. Okay, let's go. Well, I think, well, Ezra, wait for me, okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna go get something to eat. Let's see what we have here. Let's go to the cupcake place.
Oh, what loud music you have.
That was a delicious cupcake. What was that sound? I think I should go up to my house.
Why did I say I'm so nice? I should have gone to sleep early. No, accidentally. Who are you?
O sea, no debería
Help me!
Next day at the incredible new Hot Wheels City.
Another brand new day today.
This was a nice day. Hey, what dead body? Wait, what the?
We have no idea what we're gonna do with him.
my god.
Not come to kill us all. If that ever happened, that will be scary.
Yeah.
Hot Wheels City will be gone
I
too.
hope we never see him again. I hope we don't find that car near to us. Hey guys, hey Dutch Viper, do you know the news that we find? Well, someone found a dead car. Poor car, true. That happens when someone stays too much time at night. Well, that Dutch Viper's real creepy. But well, I'm so sad about that poor car. They're gonna put him into the box.
Wait, but before...
And they're gonna sell it in Amazon.
Hey, before the race, we should change color again.
Okay, you go ahead. I do not want to change color.
Okay.
Wow, that's amazing, Ezra.
I turned yellow. They just give me random colors. I don't care about that, but I really love my new color today.
Well, let me tell you something. The yellow and the red, they're really good friends. Now, let's go breakfast. Wait, okay. Let's go to eat breakfast because I eat losers for breakfast. Do you catch it? Yeah? Okay, let's go. I want to eat some cupcake.
I would like to have a hamburger. I'd like to have a small hamburger, please.
Let's get in here. That was delicious. Now I'm gonna get ready and fix all my things to get ready for the race.
I'm gonna be howdy today. Howdy, folks.
I'm ready. Action. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let's go. All the racers, please get ready for the race. Go. Hey, Lightning, are you ready? Oh yeah, the Lightning's ready. It's Ezra Bugatti! Wow! Yeah! Thank you, guys. And it's the Lightning! Yeah! Looks like we have a new racer. Hey, racers. Welcome to the racing track, Dutch Viper. I hope you have fun racing with us.
Yeah, I hope you have fun.
This is gonna be fun. Well, now let's go racing. I cannot wait anymore.
I'm so excited, and I'm gonna poop my pants so much. In fact, I ate a car today.
Helicopter! It's gonna start! In your marks! Don't worry, Set! Who's that? Who's that?
I don't know.
Ezra, careful! That Dutch Viper, she's a cheater. He makes everybody crash.
Dutch diver.
Can't believe it. Guys, I think he was the one who... The one who what? What did he say? Trying to restart. Okay. The race ends with a crazy crash. We don't know what happened. The winner of this race is the Dutch Viper.
I think. Wait, guys. Oh, that hurts.
No, bro. I feel so bad. I think I got a scratch on my wheel, bro. Well, Mac, let's go.
Good luck. Good luck, guys. I hope you guys make it. Yeah. You go, bro.
Dutch Viper! Dutch Viper! Dutch Viper!
Thank you,
We
guys.
love you! We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you! How did you get to win that race? I don't know. I think it was a bump of luck.
That's so crazy. I really love that. Hey, Mater, put the video in slow motion.
Okay. Motion. So that's what really happened. You were right, Ezra. He was the cheater and the killer. Well, guys, I think we have some proofs. Now we gotta show it to the police. Let's go, Ezra. Some proof.
Mater, call the police.
Yes,
Now.
Mater.
Now.
Okay, there I go. Wake up! Wake up! I found new crazy things. I think we find why Dutch Viper win, and we find the real killer. We find the real killer of the old crazy grandpa car.
No way. Let me see.
We have proofs. They are gonna tell you.
Thanks.
Yes, sir, police, sir. My cousin, Ezra, he found proofs of what really happened over there. It was Dutch Viper. In slow motion, you can see that he really hit us, and that's why he won the race. And what really happened with the crazy grandpa car that dies over there in that corner.
Yeah, it's really scary, and I'm really worried that if we let him still to be here, maybe he will upgrade the dinosaurs that are here, and he will take over the city. I'm super worried of that.
Sir, police, are you okay? Yeah, I'm right. I just feel that I need to poop. Okay, well, I think you know who got arrested. Yeah, but it's a problem. The next race it's going to be tonight. And so, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Maybe I might be weird.
I have an idea. What about we put a lot of cameras into us, like cameras up here on our roofs, and a camera on him. So when he cheated, we can see what he really did. We need to have more proofs. We need to show the real cars what really happened. Dude, are you okay? Are you really a police guy or you're just a random car?
I need to go poo.
This guy has a really bad problem with his transmission. Well, let's go. Do you know those cameras? I know a human who can. I know someone who can give us cameras.
That's me.
No, it's not you. Get out of here.
What is it?
I have some friends that want to buy cameras.
Sure. Which one would you get? Super sticky, so it can be racing, or what's the review for mini cars?
Super sticky, please.
Sure, I'll get you those. Hey, back
Here they are. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. Are you sure you can carry that, Mayor? I am a tow truck. I can carry everything. Hello, racing fans today. Hello, racing fans today. Today we have on the roof of the racers. So guys, get ready because this race is gonna be great. Everybody turn off the lights in the whole Hot Wheels city. And everything's gonna be totally dark to see the perfect race. Just like Tokyo Drift before Fast and Furious and Formula 2. The crazy car parked on the tower is gonna decide
He's down in the back row and look at the ground he's making up.
Euclid and Francesco duel for that inside line as they head toward the first turn. Here we go! Let's go!
Let's see how many does it.
Ezra, the best movie ever, and we just saw that Dutch Diaper was the real killer of that car. So he really did kill that car. Huh, I'm gonna put him away. Hey guys,
Now you're gonna be poop of the dinosaur. amazing cousin, and you are the best ever. I'm so happy to do this adventures with you, and I hope we can do a lot of more races now. To infinity and to ciao. Don't forget, use your Steve and you
Weels City, Lightning Ultimate